Hello, my beautiful mom. I want to introduce you with very important part of the core recovery routine is core compression. So core compression is something that you will do it on a constant basis for the early postpartum pregnancy weeks, so up to 6 weeks and on if there is a need for it. So we have this transversus abdominis muscle, which is like a corset. It's like a sheet that surrounds our entire core. So it's running from your spine, attached here, and just all the way around here. And we can't see it from the outside, it's only from the inside. And that's what we will strengthen and we will tighten up throughout these exercises called core compression. And they are really important to get them back into the shape they were before you were pregnant, and get them again activated and firm and toned. Simply because the transversus abdominis muscle groups are like supporting our balance, they are supporting us in everyday life. If we do plank, if we do lifting, if we push the trolley, it's all are so essential to get that sorted before we move on to the progression for our exercises. So let's begin. I just want you to get your both hands on your belly, and first what we'll do, we'll start to breathe into your belly, and it's just a prep for the core compression. So I just want to get you into this state that you understand. So this is your spine. Your spine is in neutral state. We are not arching it. We are not tilting our pubic bone forward. We are just in a neutral position. To get that, have your feet the same width as your shoulders. Place your hands on your hips and then bring your pubic bone forward and back. Bring your shoulders back. So lengthen your neck and then exhale. Inhale, exhale, and slowly decrease the range of motion, and then you will find your neutral position, like right knee and right here. So your spine will not move. So now, as I will do the belly breathing, I will expand this TVA, fully out, and then exhale, bring it back in, upwards, inwards, and around the corset. And again, place your hand right here and exhale, upwards, inwards, around, and tightening it up. Okay, one more time. When you breathe in, you also want to open your jaw. And as you exhale, you can close that jaw and bring it upwards, inwards, around. Beautiful. We mastered that, but core compression is slightly different. Now, I want you to breathe in, and then as you exhale, you pull it back in, and then you will have a short inhale, and then you will push it back in. So you want to tighten it, bring it all in. You see my lower back is not coming with it. It's just nothing else changes apart from. And with this one, you already master your Kegels exercises in another video. So I want you to also combine this with pulling your pelvic floor muscles upwards, inwards, around, towards the spine, as well as your navel. So short in breath, so that means we're not bringing your belly out all of it, but just halfway, and exhale. Good. So I was just holding my hand to check my back, but you basically hold it tight and then inhale. Good. So now you see that you haven't actually fully let go. You brought it halfway out, and then you bring it upwards, inwards, around, and combining with those pelvic floor muscles, including performing the Kegels. So these are those. Just a reminder, you have two pipes inside, and you squeeze those or elevators that go to the 5th floor to the 10th floor, and then you release. Okay, so the same thing, you inhale, you relax, so it's on the bottom floor, and then as you exhale, tighten up till the 10th floor and then slowly release. You don't want to bulge, you don't want to push it in, brace it in, because that could bring too much pressure on the pelvic floor muscles and basically pull them down. This is what we want to avoid. If you experience any kind of bulging effect, or when you brace you feel like there is downward pushing motion sensations, please stop, avoid that. Go back to connecting with your breath, connecting with your core. So, and now that you know a little bit more about it, we will move into the core compression exercise. See you in the next video.